One of our friends gave all her stuff inside our fridge, and now, thank you, Christine. And now we are trying to cook something from that stuff. So come with me and let's check. Okay, here it is. So on the first bag, we have noodles and bakso, salad. Whoa, condiments. More condiments. This is so much, Christine. We have rice, cauliflower, more condiments, salad dressing, my favorite, roasted sesame sauce. Sesame, roasted. Ooh, mushroom, white bread mushroom. I like mushrooms. Oh, almond milk. Do you like almond milk, Cloud?
Yes.
Yeah.
Very healthy. Thanks, Christine.
Cheese. I like it. Butter, more mushroom, garlic and potato. Fitness granola honey, including the tea. Oh my goodness. And my wife's favorite, chocolate. I think I'm gonna stuff this inside my chocolate buns. Next one. Oh, chilies. Eggs for life. More eggs. Oh, this is the frozen stuff. I like this. Fried fish. More fried fish. Frozen stuff. Those are fish cakes. Garlic frankfurter. This is what I used in my red pasta sauce. If you haven't seen the video, click it here. So that link will get you straight to that red sauce video. And last one. Oh, Jeju aloe ice. Is this for the face? My wife will love this. Thank you so much, Christine, for all this stuff. And now I will try to make something from it. Alright? Okay, here we are. So this is the choice ingredients. My wife is working out, but I asked her to shoot the second camera. We are improving now. So these are the choice ingredients. So first of all, this is how it looks like. Oyster sauce. Remember that this is from the stuff that Miss Christine gave. This is sesame oil, bakso, fish cakes, fish floss maybe, garlic and shallots. Most of you will disagree, but this is a salad packet and I will use this for cooking. Mushroom, carrots, cabbage, noodles, and our special ingredient, Korean hot pepper paste sauce, courtesy of Asiana Airlines. So we will include that all. 1 cup soup. Shout out to my sister, Janeline, who's in the UK, who gave us tons of this. So let's start. Let's cook. Okay, of course, every time we start, we put in the heat, and you can notice that there's already a oil on my pan because I just fried a Wagyu beef cubes, and I want to use this pan so the goodness of the Wagyu beef remains. Click if you also do that in your home cooking. Alright, so we have a camera here and we have a camera there. We are improving our video. So put a little bit of the butter. So I hope you like what kind of dish this will be, because I also don't have any idea. Just put in the garlic and shallots. Next is the bakso. I think I want to fry the fish cakes on the other pan. try to fry these goodies here. These are the fish cakes on the side. Oh, there's mozzarella. My wife will love it. So we'll try to saute this noodles. Put it in. So it's kind of fresh noodles. So you don't have to cook it. My wife is busy doing her workouts.
Eat more.
To eat more, so she can eat more tonight. Okay, this is a golden brownish, and I will finish. I give him a couple of minutes, and this will be done. And going back here, pepper. Okay, this is done. I will have to transfer this here. Put 1 cup of water. Most of you will agree with me, but half of this goes to the noodle and half this goes to my wife's salad. Alright, so I'll chop it and make it as an ingredient to our, I don't know what this is, but let's put in the carrots, because carrots kind of take more time to, let's try to chop this a little bit. I know, this is salad, but okay, let us wait for the noodles to be cooked, and later on we're gonna add in the veggies. So let me taste. So this is how you make something out of anything. Let's taste. Smells good. I'll add in the vegetables. So first cabbage. Put in the mushroom. Okay, here on the side I prepared a cup of water, so we can put in the tapa soup later. Scissors here. Let me put this on a cup. Try to mix it. If you don't have this tapa soup, there are mushroom soup, corn soup in the supermarket. You can use that one just to make a soup. Put in the soup. How does it smell, love? Put in the greenies. So I switch off the heat because I don't want the soggy salad in there. Comment below if you like how it looks like. Then, okay, put around 1 tablespoon of sesame oil to taste. Oh, just a teaspoon of sesame oil and some oyster sauce to taste. And because the fish cakes has a lot of flavor, that's why we just use minimal. Oh, that was perfect. Just as I thought. Alright, then put in the fish cakes. And then on the other pan, we will fry those goodies. Next one, Wagyu steak cubes. Stay tuned. Okay, here it is. Time to fry that Wagyu cubes. Hot pan makes good Wagyu cubes. You get a messy table while cooking. If you want a tour to Donguines kitchen, just comment down below and say tour. So let's put in this goodie. And if you wanted to order, just contact us and we'll lead you to Ibu Olivia. Shout out to Ibu Olivia for bringing this goodies. We love Wagyu beef cubes, so just fry around 30 seconds per side. Shout out to our friends who are leaving. Be careful in the airport. Make sure you wear your mask. Have a safe travel. God bless you. Okay, so this is it for now. We are done and we will serve this to my hungry wife. And she's about to finish working out. So this is for you. Okay friends, we have an easy 3-course meal. So we have the salad here. The half of the things that I put on the noodles. So let's put in a little bit of dressing. That's for our appetizer. And here, rice because my wife is in diet. And here is the goodie that we cooked today. Let's put it in. There you go. It's hard to fill and plate. Put in some color. And we have a phone call. Alright. So just put in these goodies over there. And yeah, I hope you appreciate how good that is. Oh yeah. And of course, put in the Wagyu. So yeah, on the side. Okay, let me do it by hand. Don't worry, I sanitized, I washed my hand. This is safe. Garnish, yeah, to make it fancy. Of course, don't forget the barbecue sauce. Here. Stuff ready?
Yeah.
Okay, so here is your... Hi, love. Okay, here is the salad.
Wow, I have salad.
Of course.
Is this mozzarella cheese?
Yeah, that's a goodie from Christine. I don't know. Christine, please PM me how to... And this is your main dish.
Wow, it looks so good.
All right. So
Smells
here,
really nice.
I know my wife will use this. Wants hot food.
How do you call this menu?
I don't know. Just a fancy dinner for my wife. So I mean, I might.
Can I open it? Okay.
Now, can you taste ano first? That one.
Yeah.
Okay. How does it taste? Speechless.
Whatever you call this, this is awesome.
All right.
Good.
Bye.